Hi, I'm back. This is Jolene, and I just finished with my sock, and I'm ready to go ahead and attach the toe ends together. I call them the ends because, as you can see, this is the sock. There's the heel. There's the top where the foot goes in. There's your heel, and here's going to be the toe. Now, the toe is open. So what this is called is grafting. You graft by taking an open edges and closing them together and sewing them shut. What you sew them shut with, the stitch is called the Kitchener stitch, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I've already clipped my end yarn, so I've got a nice long tail, and I'm going to put it in this particular needle because it's a nice big one. It's plastic and it has a nice big thick hole to put the yarn through. I use this little gadget here. It's real nice and handy because what you do is you put your yarn through that first. It's called a needle threader, and you pull, and there you've got oops, there we go. You've got your needle, tapestry needle, whatever you want to call this thing, all threaded and ready to go. Okay, what you do is, after you finish your last row, go ahead and the peg that would be your next stitch, if you were to do another row, you're going to go ahead and purl it. So you go down. Hope you can see what I'm just doing here. You go down with this needle, pull your yarn through. Whoops. I kind of got it into a, since I'm not watching what I'm doing in the video. Okay, so you've purled that, then you come the one right next to it in back of it, and you go up. Okay? Pull that through. Oops. There we go. And go ahead and pull these off. Now, if you want to use your fingers, you can. When I'm doing this myself, toward myself, I use my hook because it's a little easier on my fingers. And there's your first two Kitchener stitches. Next one, just go down, and you want to leave a little bit of room there, and up, that next to the last one. Okay, so you've got to pull these two off, and there's that one and that one. Okay, you want to leave these just a little bit loose because you're going to be tightening up. When you finish all of these pegs around here, you'll tighten them one at a time, and that's going to cause your toe to completely come together. It's really cool. Alright, down and up. You do this all the way around the loom. Go down, your third stitch, and up, your third to the last stitch. Okay, keep continuing doing this around the loom. This is your Kitchener stitch, and I'll come back and let's pop these off first. There we go. There's popped off, and pop that one off. Okay, so it's kind of messy looking as you're doing this, as you're going around. Just leave these kind of loose, and then we'll come back and we'll pull them tight, and I'll show you what that looks like.